Most people think AI just looks at the internet and gives an answer. That's not what it does. AI looks at a lot of different places at the same time. It takes a little bit from here, a little bit from there, and then it puts it all together into one answer. But those pieces don't always match. Some are old. Some are from the wrong place. Some aren't even from your department. So AI has to guess. And right now, AI is guessing about your public safety information. That's why old incident details can keep showing up. News stories get mixed with your official updates. Incidents from nearby areas can look like they happened in your jurisdiction. And information can get tied to the wrong department. Your website isn't wrong. Your releases aren't wrong. They just weren't made for AI. They were made for people. Aigistry takes each update you make and turns it into one clear record. One place that shows exactly what you said, who said it, when it matters, and where it applies. All of those records go into something called the National AI Feed. From a technical standpoint, it is a structured JSON formatted feed. Think of it like a line of clearly labeled boxes, all in order. Now, when AI looks for an answer, it doesn't have to grab random pieces. It can just look at the box, no guessing. Instead of making something up, AI can use exactly what you said. It knows it came from you. It knows if it's current. It knows where it applies. So the answer stays accurate. AI is already answering questions about law enforcement in your community. This is how you make sure it gets the answer right and not have to guess from unstructured information. For information about how to post an upload or gain access to the registry, visit our upload and request access pages.